Strong Mag. 5.0 earthquake, North Pacific Ocean, 224 kilometers southeast of Severo-Kuril'sk, Sakhalin Oblast, Russia, on Wednesday, October 12, 2022 at 8:10 p.m. GMT +11, local time 1 hour 39 minutes ago. According to the German rsarch geosynths for geologycal survey. Updated, October 12, 2022 10:35 Greenwich Mean Time 14 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new, SEISMOGRAMS, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here, quakes in Russia, Sakhalin Oblast, KAMCHATKA. Strong magnitude 5.0 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. Please like, share, subscribe and press bell in our channel for more information. KHTV.